Okay, I'm going to show you how to program a interval session into Garmin Connect app, which you can then download onto your Garmin watch, so that when you're doing the session, the watch automatically guides you through the session, telling you when to start, stop your intervals, and when the session's over. So for example session, we're going to set up, it's going to be a warm up followed by 4 times 20 seconds with 10-second recoveries and then a cool down. So on your mobile app, Garmin app, you've got the main home screen here, which is called My Day. So up at the top left hand screen, there's 4 lines. Just click on that and then go to training and planning and click there. Then you'll see workouts at the top. So click on workouts, and this helps you find, create workouts, gives you a list of all the workouts that you've downloaded before, created before. So it stores all your old workouts that you've created that you can just send onto your watch to use if you want to use a session again. But this is a new session, so we're going to create a workout. It's going to go to the top of the screen, create workout, and we're going to choose the option of run. And then it comes up the main screen for how to input a workout. So it's got the workout name at the top, which is just a standard name they've given it. Once we save at the end, to be able to put a new name in. You can put notes on the session as well. But these are the main steps, so it automatically comes up with a warm up, a run, and a cool down steps. So you can take these steps out. You have to have at least one step on it at all times. But you can just rearrange this or add steps on. So you can either click the blue button to add step in, which adds more steps in, or on the right hand side you've got the crosses, which you can then delete steps from. So you're going to remove that step. You can remove that step as well just now for this example. So the first stage is warm up. So you want to keep a warm up. So you've got different options in the warm up though. So if you click on the warm up, you can set up the duration. I normally set up for lat button press, which means that once I start the interval and I'm doing the warm up, it doesn't start the first of the main interval steps until I press the lat button to say I'm fully warmed up after ready for my session. But you can go in there, instead of duration type, lat button press, you can change it to time, and so or distance. You can set it to say 10 minutes. After 10 minutes automatically go into the session, or after 1 mile automatically going into the session. But the easier way I find it is to use the lat button press option. So I can just cancel that because that's already set up. I can just go back, so that's warm up set up. And again, the cool down, it's lat button press, so I don't need to change it, but again you can change it to a length of time or a distance if you wish. So the main session is 4 times 20 seconds. So because all the efforts are the same time and same time of recoveries, I can add a repeat. Instead of adding steps to add in 8 different steps, I can add a repeat in instead. So just click on add repeat, and it'll bring up a box. Hopefully you can see it okay. And at the top it says 2 times a run and recovery, but you want to change it to 4 times. Just click the wee arrow beside the 2 times, come up wee scroll thing, so you just scroll up to 4 and just click on done, and that changes that to 4 times. So the run is automatically set to 1 mile efforts. I hope you can see that okay. So you can just click on the run tile, and step type is run. You can change that to cool down or rest or recover as you wish, but this is the actual main run, the actual effort, so it's the run we're using, so just cancel out there. duration, I want to change the duration because it's set for 1 mile just now. So we go into duration type, which is set distance, but we can change that to time. And then duration, we can change it to from 3 minutes to the 20 seconds. So I'm take out the minutes to 0. Then the last one, which is seconds, I'm going to change that to 20 seconds. And then click on done. So that's set for time, 20 seconds for the run option. So just click on the back arrow there. So that's it, set for 4 times, 20 seconds, and the recovery is at the standard rate. So once change that, so just click on recovery, and it's make it 10-second recovery. So the duration type is time, which is correct for what we want. Just going to click on duration and change that to 10 seconds and done. And then, so that's the recovery set up. So that's the session all set up. So stage is warm up, which is out. Then you got the box, grey box with the 4 times 20 seconds with 10-second recoveries and a cool down. You can add in, if you wish, more steps there, add in rows. You can move this row about by pressing down on it. Then you can move it steps about and so forth. You can add that into, the repeat box if you wish. That includes into the repeat, but I don't want that for this session, so I can just take that back out again by clicking the arrow. So remove. So that's a session set up to do what I want. So at the top, I'm just going to click on save and ask me for a workout name. So I'll take out the standard name, and I'm going to change it to 4 times 20 sec, and then save. So that brings you back onto the workout screen with all the workouts that's already been saved onto your Garmin app. So you've created the session, now just move it to your watch now. So just click on the session you want to move to your watch, and that brings up session, and at the top shows like a mobile phone screen and an arrow. Just click on that icon and it comes up a list of all the different devices that you've got. So I just click on your own device, so click on your watch and it comes up with a message saying time to get running. So that's it automatically downloaded onto your watch, so it's ready to go when you go out for a run.